Hello, class. My name is David Nguyen, and today I will talk about climate change and the policies people are trying to implement to help with climate change. First, what is climate change? Climate change is any significant long term change in the expected patterns of an average weather of a region over a significant period of time. What that means is that, for example, our country has been heating up over an expected period of time because of causes towards climate change. So, what causes climate change? Climate change mainly comes from human activities through the emissions of greenhouse gases, for example, using fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and gas. So, what are the harms of climate change? The harms of climate change can include the worsening of many types of disasters, such as storms, heat waves, floods, and droughts. As you can see from California, we have experienced heat waves where it has started forest fires and also droughts just in our state alone. So, what are politicians doing to help fight this battle? Well, Joe Biden and Elizabeth Warren released competing proposals on Tuesday to pump billions of dollars into the U.S. economy to help fight climate change. Joe Biden actually released a $1.7 trillion proposal in federal funding to address rising temperatures over the next decade, outlining steps to reach net zero carbon emissions by 2050. At the moment, right now, most Americans believe climate change is happening and believe that the government should do something about it, which is exactly why Joe Biden and Elizabeth Warren are attempting to push policies to help with climate change. But at the moment, only half of Americans support the carbon tax. So, for us to help push climate change policies, we have to convince others to help join the fight. So, how do we convince others to join the fight? We have to frame climate change policy in a different light. If you frame climate change policy with a security frame, more people are more likely to support it. But if you frame climate change policy with human rights and environmental factors, then people are less likely to support it. So, in conclusion, in the end, it's up to us, along with politicians, to convince others of the harm of climate change, as it's the only way to move in the right direction to help fight climate change. Thanks for listening. Appreciate it.